Good morning, children. In moral sense, we were dealing the third lesson, and in this particular lesson called teamwork, we were discussing about the particular story called the dove story. So, dear children, I have already taught you this particular story, but still little bit I am going to explain to you now. So in this particular story, how the hunter puts a net and gives some food for the doves, and then one day these doves are caught up in the net, and then they are facing a lot of problems and difficulties, and then they decide all together that we have to fly away from here, and then all together as a team they work very hard and they fly away from that place, and then they go to a very far place where they meet with the mouse who is ready to help them. And then what happens at the end, we see in this particular story that all the birds are free from the net, and then they are very happy, and therefore they say they thanked all together to this particular mouse, and they flew away together. So united, they flew away together, united in their strength. So my dear children, in this particular story, it is a lesson that when we are united together, we can do many things, the big things, in a better way. So similarly, these things happen to this particular doves. Now I am going forward. So remember, you see down, you see page number 19. Remember, many quotations are given here. You see first one. Great leaders have the ability to lead a team successfully. So if the leader is good, if he is talented leader, good leader, he can lead the team in a better way, in a successful way. Next one, coming together is beginning, staying together is progress, and working together is success. So what happens when we come together as a class, as a group? It is a beginning, coming together is a beginning, and when we stay together, it is a progress, and when we work together, it is a success. So what happens when we are united as a group, either in class or any other teamwork, either for game and so on? In the beginning, I explained to you and I told you. So when you come together, we can do the work better way. Next one, great leaders do not tell you what to do, they show how it is done. So great leaders will not tell, not give order to others, rather they will try to do by themselves. So that is the hidden key to success. So great leaders do not tell you what to do, they show how it is done. So how it is done they will show. They will show the achievement, not how to do. So my dear students, these quotations are very, very important. Now turn the next page. Next page. See, so many quotations are there. Turn the page. Leadership is not a position or title. It is action and examples. So when a person is leader or leadership, or is a leader, he will lead the group. Leadership is not a position, it is not position or title given to that particular person. Rather, it is given a task. So this person is getting a task to lead the group. So it is his work to lead the group. Next one. We all work, but together we win. Next one. Teamwork makes the dream work. Next. A single twig breaks, but the bundle of twigs is strong. So together, if you tie the sticks together, it is very difficult to break. Next one. Teamwork is the secret and makes common people achieve uncommon result. Similarly, teamwork occurs when we join together to work towards a common goal. Working together can generate great strength. See, it can give us a quite great strength. Similarly, together we can achieve more, and then the success of a company lies in the efforts of the workers. So, my dear children, these are the quotations which you need to learn so that it will be helpful for you. So, again, I will continue in my next class. Thank you very much for paying attention.